In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy or sell cryptocurrency with profit. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out in the world of cryptocurrencies, these steps will guide you through a straightforward process to enhance your trading strategy. Let's begin by heading over to Binance, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. If you haven't already created an account there, you'll want to get that set up. Once you've logged in, navigate to the trading section. You'll find options like spot, margin, and futures trading. Choose the one that suits your trading style and your risk tolerance. Next up in our profitable journey is the art of buying low. Keep a close eye on the market and watch for dips or strong support zones. These are optimal moments to make your buy. Buying at these points means that you are purchasing the coin at its lower price, setting yourself up for greater profits when it's time to sell. Market analysis tools and charts can be extremely helpful in identifying these trends and patterns. Once you have your crypto in hand, the next step is to set a target sell price. This price should be based on resistance levels or your personal profit goals. It's crucial to know when to exit, especially in a market that's as volatile as cryptocurrency. Your goal here is to sell high, so have a realistic target in mind that aligns with your financial objectives. To ensure that you lock in the desired buying or selling price, using limit orders is recommended. A limit order allows you to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price, providing control over your trading and safeguarding against unfavorable price movements. This is an essential tool for every trader aiming to maximize profits. As you are making these trades, pay attention to the various fees that might be involved and keep a vigilant eye on market trends. The dynamics of market demand and trends can affect your decisions, so frequent reassessment is key. Importantly, when your target price is met and you're in a profitable position, go ahead and sell. It's vital not to let greed overrule your strategy. Taking your profit when the time is right prevents potential losses from sudden market shifts. Finally, discipline is your best ally in this journey. Once you've completed a profitable trade, don't rest on your laurels. Repeat the process with consistency and vigilance. The market offers new opportunities every day, and maintaining a disciplined approach ensures sustainable long-term gains. By following these steps and maintaining a rational trading mindset, you place yourself in a strong position to profit in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading. Thanks for joining me and happy trading.